Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Visual Studio installation error on your Windows. So if you encounter this kind of error on your Windows, then let's go quick into the process. This is just a very simple tutorial. So first is you have to click on the Start button, go to Settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on Windows Update and you'll find a button right here. So just simply click on that. So we need to make sure that we are updating our windows. So once your windows is updated, then you just need to simply close out of here. So I need to close out of here, and then after you have updated your windows, you need to try installing the Visual Studio again. So for the next method is if you are using any third-party antivirus softwares like any of the Avast, McAfee, or Malwarebytes, which are the commonly used third-party antivirus software, then we can try to temporarily disable that, because the case is they might block and interrupt the installation process or prevent the application from being installed. So what we can do, click on the show hidden icons on the taskbar. Here you can find that I am using the Malwarebytes, which is, of course, it could be anything or any third-party antivirus software in your case. So just simply make a right click on your third-party antivirus software and then simply click the quit option. So after you have temporarily disabled that third-party antivirus software, then you just need to simply try installing the Visual Studio again or continue the installation process. And for the next method is click on this Windows search bar, type in here CMD. On the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator. Now here in this elevated command prompt with administrative rights, type SFC /scan now. It's SFC /scan now, hit enter. So this is the system file checker scan. This will scan and fix all system corrupted files, which is a very helpful fix. Now while the process is going on, is you should not close the window. You can just simply click on the minimize key and then do your other task on your Windows. Now once your Windows is updated and once your Windows is updated, you have temporarily disabled the antivirus, and then the SFC scan has been 100% completed. Close out of here, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And after that, try to install the Visual Studio again. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.